Today, August 16, another little bird came out from the nest. Now they are three already out from the nest. So there is still another one inside the nest. Tweet, 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 tweet. And the other are there. Hello, Feliz and Ota. And the rest of my birds, little birds. Oh, they're flying and swinging. Oh, I put a boiled egg. And I will change their swimming pool. Because I always make 2 times a day to change the water. Now I need to change again. Hello, pretty birds. You're so cute. Hello.